Global transition.
And challenge.
Transition.
Progressing. Transition journey.
Era.
Hi, I'm Omar. I'm the head of Department of Chemical Engineering, and I'm really looking forward to the Newitt lecture.
For half a century, the Newitt lecture has been the flagship event of the Department of Chemical Engineering, honoring Professor Dudley Newitt.
As a former head of department, a scientist, a leader, a visionary, he inspired engineers to think beyond their limits.
To celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Newitt lecture, we have prepared something truly special for you.
In this year's Newitt lecture, we're facing one of the greatest challenges of our time, the global transition into renewable energy. To explore such a grand challenge, the Newitt lecture becomes more than just a talk. It becomes a journey, a transition journey of an energy company progressing towards the renewable era.
But this isn't a story we're telling you, it's a story we're bringing you into. And just like in the real world, anything can happen at any moment, and you will steer the company through each and every twist.
Are you ready?
Don't worry, you won't face this challenge alone. We've assembled a panel of experts across finance, marketing, law, and engineering to help guide you through the uncertainties. But when the crisis hits and the pressure rises, you will make the final call.
So join us as we celebrate 50 years of the Newitt lecture.
And look ahead to the challenges that will shape the next 50.
You won't want to miss this.